All right, man, it's fastlane LB here. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a burnout. So first, get you a car with a V8 in it. We don't do no V6s over here. So get you a car with a V8 in it, all right? So we got the Challenger right here. Then I'm gonna show y'all what to do next. So next, get in the car, find you a spot. This is an empty parking garage. Nobody's here, so you ain't gotta worry about it. Then you wanna start the car. Hold on, let me start it real quick. Boom, the car is started. First, yeah, you done did 100 more, you done did 100 steps already, right? So, show y'all what to do next, hold on. All right, boom, next, find you a good open area where you can do it at. And nothing's really in front of you, right? So I'll show y'all. Nothing's really in front of you, right? So what you wanna do, put the car in drive. Let me flip the camera. The car in drive, have your left foot on the brake, your right foot on the gas. Car is in drive. All right, so I didn't do that right. Turn your traction off first. I forgot to add that important step. Turn your traction off, right? So now, let me flip the camera. Left foot on the gas, right foot on the brake.